5 Golf, clear for the option 17. Let's go. 5 Golf, clear for the option 17.
The option 178, my call. Carry 5 Golf, short approach request. Short approaching, my call.
Okay, clear for the runway. How you get there is up to you.
Thank you, 8 my call. Short approaching, my call.
Okay, clear for the runway. How you get there is up to you.
Thank you, 8 my call.
Okay, clear for the runway. How you get there is up to you.
Thank you, 8 my call.
Golf, which way do you want to turn?
36 Golf, we're going to go to the misapproach holding point and hold there.
Yeah, I had no idea what you're doing, so just tell me what direction. And I had no idea what you're doing, so just tell me what direction. That's all I need.
South to the misapproach holding point for 36 Golf.
Misapproach holding point. Okay. Maintain VFR and go there.
Thank you. Sorry for the confusion. 36 Golf.
I still don't know what approach you did, so I don't know where you're headed. So you keep saying the missed approach point for an approach, but I don't know the approach.
Roger, sir. Let me try and get rid of the confusion. So 36 Golf, we were doing the RNAV GPS runway 17 approach all the way to the missed approach holding point as published. We had talked to the Fort Worth Center about that, but obviously they didn't get the word to you.
Center don't tell us crap, and last I checked, you still got to talk to the tower before you enter Class Delta airspace. So you're wrong, they're wrong, and you just made my life a lot harder than it needs to be. So just stay VFR, I'm not sure what you're doing, and call the center, and please just talk to them.
36 Golf, roger.
Say intentions. Right at midfield, left echo to exit apart.
Set up. Foxtrot, Echo to Park for 951, please.
That's right at the midfield. That's Foxtrot, then Echo to Park.
Foxtrot, Echo, Park. 51.
There you listen to that. We get all these amateurs out here now that are flying IFR, but they don't know what they're doing.
One Tango leaving your airspace.
Twin Tango, have a good day.
You too, sir.